Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. No more secrets. The Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra is unveiled with accessories, a distinctive camera structure, and ergonomic improvements. According to the latest preliminary data, the case manufacturer itself has published new high-quality images of the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra in a case. You can imagine how the device will fit in your hand. Let's dive into the full video. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. Leaked images of the Galaxy S26 Ultra's body cases confirm a massive camera module design, promising significant improvements in photography early next year. Recent leaks about the Galaxy S26 Ultra have emerged from accessory makers, providing detailed insight into the design direction of Samsung's 2026 flagship. Tech experts believe the early appearance of protective components indicates the company is accelerating its product development. Now, accessory manufacturer Thinborn has released images of cases for the yet-to-be-announced Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. The images reveal details of the smartphone's design and also demonstrate how the device will feel in the hand. The camera unit retains its recognizable layout, but now 3 large lenses and 2 small ones, including the flash, are visually combined into a distinctive island. The corners of the body are more rounded, compared to the S25 Ultra. The S Pen stylus is also expected to be redesigned to fit the smartphone's new rounded corners. Leaked phone cases still retain the familiar P-shaped notch, which provides ample space for the camera system, without adding unnecessary bulk to the overall thickness of the device. It's worth noting that third-party accessory makers have begun to pay more attention to ergonomics. The back cover is divided into different textured sections to improve grip, addressing the issue of slipping on phones with large screens. The combination of optimized design through accessories and potential hardware improvements show that Samsung is committed to maintaining its leading position in the premium smartphone segment. Samsung is expected to officially unveil the Galaxy S26 series in February, and there are hopes that the next-generation Snapdragon processor will dominate the Android ecosystem. The new Galaxy S26 Ultra will launch in February, alongside its siblings, the Galaxy S26 and Galaxy S26 Plus variants. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.